Alright, we got this one up. Didn't have any J-poles, but they had some wood laying around, so we made a pole. Screwed it in there, attached it to it. Access point is over there. Got the router down in there. And now we got to figure out where lot 25 is. We got number 7, which is right over there, that we got to do. But we got to figure out where number 25 is. Because there's like, one right over here is like 19. That's 14 right there. 15, 16, so 25 just possibly be in that half circle on that end of the park. So we can go find out.